Is wind blast your enemy too? Do watch this video till the end. I guarantee you it will give you helpful results. Yeah, so hello guys, welcome to another fresh video. Welcome back to my channel. So today what I'm discussing about is wind blast during motovlogging. You all know, you all must be knowing that it is a big problem that if you are doing motovlogging, if you are using even an external microphone, and even then you get like wind blast, a lot of wind blast. Just today I was doing some motovlogging. You all have checked, might be in the video, that I was doing some motovlogging, and like the wind blast was just way too much, so I just had to mute it, put some background music and stuff. So let's not make this video a bit long, like too long also. So I'll basically briefly tell you all the major problems. Okay, the first problem is like in my case, see, okay, whenever I close this, it does not shut down all the way. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see, it does not get closed like all the way down. Okay, so what this leads to is your wind enters to here, and when your microphone is somewhere around here, the microphone catches the wind blast. Okay, second is that this has vents. Okay, here in front, this helmet has vents. Okay, so a lot of air goes directly through here, and on the other side of it is your microphone, so that again leads to a lot of wind blast. Okay, and third is that you are not using these. Okay, these are like foam wind shields, which you should be using. Maybe an upgraded version of this also will do your thing. Okay, yeah. So firstly what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up, pass it through inside. Please stay till the end of the video, because this video is going to turn out very helpful for you all. So firstly I'm going to open this. Since this is not closing properly, I'm going to detach the mount, and I'm going to mount it back again in a proper way, meaning I'll just have to open the helmet up a little bit and then pass it all the way back again. And besides that is this vents, the front vents which are there, I'm going to cover them up. Like the front vents, I'm going to cover them up and I'm going to pack them. So let's start by quickly taking off the mount. So from the inside, what we'll be doing is we will just start by taking off these, okay, and this too, and this is like pretty much glued up, I guess, but again we have to work around the area, so I will be removing and sticking it back again. Yeah, so I removed this as well. So I'll be packing up these holes on both the sides, that is here also and here too. Okay, so I'll just do it very quickly. Yeah, so that is what how it looks like. There's a bit of reflection, but that's how it looks like. Okay, yeah. So now what we can do is, since the strap was going over here, I don't want that, so I wanted just like to go towards the inside. So what I can do is I'll just like make like two holes from here, so that I can pass the strap from the side. Yeah, so that's it. And what we can do is we can put this back in place. Now the final part is that I have to pass this through this. Okay, so for now I'll remove my mobile mount. I'll just remove my mobile mount and I'll start with it. Yeah, so now what I've done is I have packed the holes, like the vents which were there, I've packed them. Okay, so I've packed them, and I've also passed this to here. Okay, so now why I've done this is because it did not have a detachable mount here, so I had to pass it over here only. So now this the visor gets packed up properly. Okay, so it's not going to create a problem now because of the wind blast. So we'll just move on to a bike and I'll show it to you over there. Yeah, so we just cold started the bike and now we are moving. I guess the audio quality is good now. I hope so. I have also not checked. This is my first time after doing the mods to the helmet. So we'll do a speed test of around 60 kilometers, 80 kilometers and so. Here we go. We are at around 30 kilometers, 40 kilometers now. I hope the audio quality is fine. Now we are at around 60 kilometers. The weather today is very pleasant. After a long time, it's bright and shining today. All these days it was raining. So now we are at around 80 kilometers. My voice is quite normal. I'm not speaking that loud also. I hope there's no crackling sound in between. It's quite windy in here though. So now we are almost at around 80 itself. I guess there's a straight road in front. Doggy. I hope it's capturing the surround sound also properly, and it's balancing the audio like within the microphone of like the surround sound and my voice as well. Okay, so looks like we are not going to be able to hit 100 in here. Okay, I'll just turn back. We'll try it over there itself. No one behind. Also, the mic that I am using is the Mono A400. I'm not sure of the model, but I'll just put it right up here while editing. I hope these changes do like a perfect job and I don't have to go and modify it back again. So we will try to hit 100 in here. It is a straight road. Let's see how it goes. I have also added some padding to the microphone. I'll just show you all when I stop. And make sure about one thing, that whenever you mount the microphone on your helmet, make sure that you are mounting it towards the side. Don't mount it right straight to your mouth, because whenever you speak it will catch some crackling noise. And we will try to hit 100 in here. Bro, give me some side. And we are almost at 100. Yes, we are at 100. I hope the voice is not crackling now. We are in 5th gear, and I guess that should solve the problem now. And yeah, so I hope this fixes the thing, and that will be for the video, guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you all liked the video, please do share it as well. Please comment whatever you all liked or whatever you did not like. If you all want me to do any other detailed video, please do let me know. Till then, see you all in the next videos. Bye.